channel, Living with a Submarine. Wow, that was so weird to say. This is my very first vlog, my very first video, my very first everything to do anything with YouTube. I'm super excited about this. Like it feels like, you know, I have like a lot of energy. Like this is so me. Like I do this on a regular. Like it's so crazy. But whatever, I'm not gonna bore you guys. This vlog is actually starting, like guys, like taking that first step. I did it. But guys, so yes, it took me so long to get here. I even did like a launch party for this at Blind Wino. If you were there, if you heard of it, was La Submarine block party. Literally the launch for this, and like almost 2 years later, I'm actually doing this. Wow, it took me a very long time. So today I am going to somewhere called the Getaway House. If you're not familiar with it, just go to their you can go to their website or their Instagram. It's just literally called the Getaway House. It's a really cool place where they have dope cabins where you stay in pretty much to like just get away from like the world that you've been in. So I'm super excited about that. I do want to say I'm not going alone. I'm going with my partner Miriam. But yeah, so stay tuned. Bye. Okay, guys.
First of all, why don't you take this off?
Okay, guys. Say hi, babe.
First of all, I just want y'all to know that Lisette thought, you know the ginger ale Schweppes?
It's Schweppes.
She talking about some, you want your Schweppes. It's Schweppes. Girl, you mad?
Okay,
you
whatever, guys. We are finally on our way after 8 hours waiting for this girl. Bullshitting around and stuff. But, yeah. So, we'll hit you back when we get there.
To be this fine.
Look at the mountains. Mountains. It's not mountains, but trees. Okay, guys, we are here at our Getaway
secret
home.
Location.
Oh, yeah. Well, I already told them at the beginning what it was, but guys, okay,
it's still secret.
Let's get out. Let's show these people. Whew. My legs hurt. I feel like I've been driving all damn day. This is where we will be staying. Yo, this shit is small. Are you ready? This is like the beginning of a scary movie. Like, we're home! And then
the serial killer watching us do all this nut shit.
Alright, cool. Inside of our little cabin is so cute. Gave me a note. Alright guys, so we are out here grilling. It's popping. We got our salmon. Y'all can see it on guys, this is so exciting. Our salmon's gonna take forever because she didn't let me put holes in it. But here we are. Alright, do you guys think we're gonna get drunk tonight?
Yes or yes?
The finishing product, we have salmon, broccoli and cheese, and
I have no shame.
she started eating already. But guys, we're gonna start eating and then we'll be back when it's time for the s'mores.
We made hot dogs, we made s'mores, we made our meal. Now we're finally full. I was so hungry. That was our first meal of the day. And yeah, now we're gonna probably like take some shots.
Some bullet. We are not so paid for this, but this is what you take to the woods because it tastes like wood. Like that.
So yeah. And I got my sexy pajamas. Let me show y'all.
What? No, sit down. This is for the world. Alright, so now guys, we're going to play this game called Get to Know Your Partner. And it's pretty much like questions and stuff like that. So let's see how much you know me.
Well, it's not really a know you game. It's a get to know you game. So
we're getting to know each other on that.
Alright guys, we're back. We're playing this game. Get to know your partner. We started, we just did. Did you hear that? Did you hear that?
I know what
We started, we just didn't know we wasn't recording. What if a bear just be like? Alright, so the question that we're on is, would you like to would you like to be famous? If so, in what way? If not, why?
That's the girl that runs Mom Living Single, or that's the girl that has that nonprofit. That's what I would love to be famous for. Nothing else. Positive things.
Like hot dog. Okay, that's good.
Before making the telephone call, do you rehearse what you want to say? Why? No.
Yes, you do. When your dad called and your mom called. Yes, she did. Alright, we are using the Ciroc Black Raspberry Cup. If you're not familiar, get familiar, but we're not drinking that. Cheers. She can't do Millie Rock.
I know how to Millie Rock.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
This is the start.
No!
Try, you need to cut it.
Run the best in the regular. Him a fucking the celly.
Totally expected, I'm sorry. My bad. I'ma say it off in the Rari. Keep 36 by my side. I'ma go bake me a pie.
Alright guys, so we're having a late night snack. Honey made some. Okay guys, so I am down outside. It's like 7 in the morning. I was going to walk the woods. Oh, look at the cabin. I was going to walk the woods, but I'm like, I don't know if I'm hearing wolves or dogs. So I was like, I don't know where to walk. Oh, I just wanted to show you guys like the neighbors and stuff like that. There's no way. So there's one all the way down. I don't know if you can see it, like over there. No, I can like stay that deep in the woods, but there's a neighbor, there's another neighbor, and then if you see that one over there, that's another neighbor, and then there's like 2 neighbors, that's us, over there, and then there's like this trail. I'm thinking about walking. I'm kind of scared, guys. So the fact that we have a book about what to do if you see a bear. Okay, what am I gonna do, guys? I don't know what to do. Like, I want to show you guys, but I don't want to see anything. Like, yeah, I'm going back, guys. I can't do it. I don't know why. Like, I'm just like a bitch, y'all. Like, the fact that I'm like really out here in the woods, I'm scared. Like, what if I fucking see a bear? That joint said fight back. Guys, it said fight the bear. Like, don't act dead, don't play dead. I don't know if the wolves or the dogs are getting closer. Guys, so I decided to make breakfast outside on our fire pit. I already started the fire, allowing it to like flame up a little. But yeah, so I'm gonna let you guys watch through this. Yeah, I'm excited about this. Don't know how it's gonna taste. Okay, so the food is obviously taking way longer than I expected. I honestly don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going with the flow. If you see me keep looking around, it's honestly because I keep hearing stuff and I'm such a fucking bitch. See, I see people. I saw a squirrel. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna like try to get back to you guys with this whole food thing because it's actually like embarrassing. Like, what the hell am I doing? I don't know. So I'm just gonna take this time while I sit on this damn grill and like I guess meditate and like regroup, have some time to myself. Mariama's inside meditating, I guess, getting herself together. She walked around already. But yeah, so we're taking like individual times and like you know, bringing ourselves back to life. We tried yoga last night. That obviously isn't our thing, but I feel like, oh my god, y'all, look at the eggs are like trying to do something. This is so embarrassing. It looks horrible, but it looks disgusting, and I honestly hope we don't get sick. Whatever, so I'm about to sit here, pretty much just like try to meditate and pray and stuff right here on this bench. I'll show you guys that through a time lapse, but yeah. Okay guys, so I am back and I don't know what's going on with these eggs. Is this normal? Like, why should, let me see if y'all can see this shit. Do I even hear that? Like, is that is that okay? Okay guys, so here's the finishing product of this food. Mariama brought out some hot apple cider and what's that, orange juice? And orange juice, she already said it. But yeah. Our stay has come to an end. Our stay has come to an end. I actually really enjoyed myself. Did you enjoy yourself? The best part to me, I would say, was last night. Yep. Last night was the best night. The whole camping situation, even the cat walking up on us. Why are you laughing? Oh, shit. But guys, I definitely recommend to check this out. It's a Getaway. You can check them out on Instagram or online, just by typing in Getaway, I guess. This is the location they consider DC, but it's really in VA. Yeah, they have it all over. I believe they have it in New York, Boston, different places, but from the DMV area. Definitely check it out. We stayed at Joanne. It's not what you expect. I definitely want to throw that out there. When they said we was going to have neighbors, I didn't expect the neighbors to be literally so close. So definitely, they don't provide any washcloth, but they do provide towels. So, but guys, I just definitely want to say that we had a good time. Yeah, just come check it out.